Welcome to the Bright Home Lights app guide. In this tutorial, we will walk through the main app screens and the most important features you can use to control, customize, schedule, and manage your lights. Devices screen. The Devices screen is the main control center for your lights. From here, you can view each device. Check its connection status. Turn on or off. And adjust brightness. Each device card shows the device name, connection state, and quick controls. A device may show as local, cloud, or offline depending on how it is connected. Use the refresh button if you need to update the device list or check the latest connection status. To add a new controller, tap the Add button on the device's screen. This is used to add new devices to your system. When first pairing your device, you must connect your phone to the Bright Home Lights Wi-Fi via your Wi-Fi settings. When the pairing screen comes up, go to Wi-Fi settings to connect your controller to the Wi-Fi network. Enter your network name and password and save. After your Wi-Fi credentials have been saved, return to the app to scan for your devices. If the app does not find the device, confirm the controller has power, check your Wi-Fi connection, and make sure local network access is enabled for the app. After the controller is added, it will appear on the device's screen where you can rename it, adjust brightness, and manage its settings. Device menu. You can open the additional device menu in two ways. Long press a device card for about 3 seconds or tap the 3 vertical dots on the right side of the card. This menu gives you access to advanced options, including cloud connection, device sharing, backup and restore, factory reset, firmware updates, system diagnostics, reboot and delete. Edit device. The edit menu lets you update device details, such as the device name, LED count, and the default preset that loads when the controller starts. LED count assist lights up connected LED outputs in distinct colors. This makes it easier to configure the correct number of LEDs for your system and know exactly which lights belong to which output. Use this screen when your light count, startup preset, or device name needs to be adjusted. System Diagnostics. System Diagnostics gives you a simple way to scan your device for configuration issues. Tap Scan to begin the diagnostic check. Use errors only if you want to focus on warnings and failed checks. Use Email Report if you need to send diagnostic details for support. Diagnostics can help identify issues with your system, such as firmware version, LED setup, Wi-Fi signal, and other configuration items. Backup and Restore. Backup and Restore lets you create a full backup of your device settings and presets. This is useful before making major changes or before updating firmware. If needed, you can restore a previous backup later. This will return the device to the previous state, including all configurations and presets. The Reset Defaults option lets you reset your device back to factory state. Firmware Update. The Firmware menu guides you through the firmware update process, so your controller can stay current with the latest features and improvements. If a firmware update is available, an update card will be displayed on the device card. Follow the update guide to fully back up your system, update it, and connect it to the cloud. Note that a firmware update is required to use cloud features. Please be patient to allow the firmware to fully download and apply to your controller. When the firmware update is done, click the Verify button to complete the update process. The last step in the process is connecting your device to the cloud. Note that cloud connection is completely optional if you prefer your device to remain local. Preset screen. The preset screen displays both Bright Home presets and your own custom device presets. Bright Home presets are curated collections available inside the app. You can filter or search through them to find the look you want. If you find a preset you like, you can save it locally to your device or add it to your favorites. Your personal device presets are stored locally on the controller. You can schedule them, rename them, or delete them as needed. Create Screen. The Create Screen is where you can build custom presets from scratch or modify existing ones. For example, if you select a preset from the sports category, you can open the Create Screen to view the colors and effects used in that preset. You can adjust colors, brightness, and effect settings. Changes will appear on your lights in real time, so you can see the result as you make adjustments. Once you're happy with the look, save it to your device. After saving, you can use it again later or add it to a schedule. AI Colors. AI Colors lets you generate custom color palettes automatically. Enter a short description of a theme or mood you want. The app will generate a color palette based on your prompt. You can load those colors into the color picker or apply them directly to an effect. Effects. The Effects selector shows the available lighting effects and lets you preview different looks. You can adjust effect settings such as speed, hue, and other available controls. You can also mark effects as favorites. Favorite effects stay easy to access from your quick pick options. Segments. Segments let you divide your lights into separate sections. Each section can have its own brightness, colors, and effects. You can break the lights into multiple sections. Use the Add button to create new segments. Give each segment a name. And adjust its effect, colors, and brightness. Grouping and spacing let you repeat groups of lights and leave spaces between them. This is useful for accent lighting patterns. Use Reset to clear the segment configuration and return to one default segment for all lights. Always save your preset if you want to use the segment setup later. Unsaved changes will be lost. DIY presets. The DIY presets gives you a full-screen view for working with individual lights. Use this screen when you want more precise control over colors and layout. You can select colors, apply them to specific LEDs or sections, clear changes, randomize a look, and save or apply the result. This is useful for detailed accent designs or custom layouts that need more control than a standard preset. In order for this to work properly, please make sure you have configured the LED count correctly. You must save to reuse or load it back into the grid to re-edit. The freeze icon indicates the lights are frozen to your color selection. Click it to unfreeze your lights and return to normal operation. Schedules. The schedule screen lets you activate presets automatically at your desired date and time. It is important to configure your location so the system has the correct date, time, sunrise, and sunset information. At the top of the screen, you can view the current location, system date, and system time. If anything is incorrect, use the Settings button to update it. Each schedule shows the preset that will run, the next activation time, and the days it is set to run. To add a schedule, tap Add. Select the preset you want to activate. Then choose whether it should activate at a specific time, at sunrise, or at sunset. For sunrise and sunset schedules, the time is calculated automatically based on your location. You can also add an offset if you want the schedule to run earlier or later. Select the days you want the schedule to run. Then tap Save. Use the on and off switch to enable or disable schedule. To edit or delete a schedule, tap it to reopen its settings. Automations. Automations let you trigger presets based on certain criteria instead of only using a fixed time. This can include location-based automations, sports-related automations, and other supported automation options. Use automations when you want your lights to respond automatically to an event or condition. After the automation triggers, your lights will return back to the previous state. Music. The music screen lets your lights react to sound. Choose your foreground and background colors. Select a movement mode, such as bar, spread, flow, or wave. Adjust the sensitivity so the lights respond naturally to the music or room audio. When you are ready, start music mode. If music mode does not respond as expected, check microphone permission and confirm the device supports the selected music feature. Account registration. Account registration is where you create or sign in to your cloud account. If you're a Bright Home Lights customer, use the customer registration option to register for your included cloud account. Your account gives you access to supported cloud features, device sharing, backup options, and other connected services. Sharing. Device sharing lets an owner invite another person to access a device. Enter the person's email address, choose the correct role, and send the invitation. You can review current members and pending invitations from the sharing screen. Only share device access with people you trust. Integrations. The integration screen shows supported smart home and assistant platforms. This can include Amazon Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, Home Assistant, X-Lights, and LEDFX. Select the platform you want to use, then follow the connection steps for that provider. After setup is complete, return to the app and test control from the connected platform. Themes. Themes let you change the appearance of the app. Choose from the available theme options to customize the app's look. Changing the app theme does not change your lighting settings. Home screen widgets. Home screen widgets let you create quick controls outside the app when supported by your device. You can configure widget actions such as power, brightness, or preset control for a selected device. Use widgets when you want fast access to common actions without opening the full app. User Guide and Interactive Guide. The User Guide and Interactive Guide provide built-in help inside the app. Use these sections when you want a quick reminder of how a feature works or where to find a specific option. They are useful if you need help without leaving the app. Please visit the website's Help section for more help content and resources.